Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will make a complex sheet metal part in Solidworks. Here is our sheet metal part. It has a complex bend, as you can see. First of all, you have to make sure that it is a proper sheet metal part and it is not a solid body, because we have to export it into AutoCAD for machining. So here, as you can see, I am using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial because mostly the commands are same, user interface may be changed. So select new, select part and select OK. So first of all, as usual, I always change my scene to plain white, and I always prefer to choose MMGS. So let's go to here sketch and select front plane, sketch. And here I will draw a 3-point arc like this. I will select its midpoint and I will select this origin and I will make it coincident. Also, let's say this radius is 300 and let's say this dimension is 200 millimeters. You can see it is still underdefined. So I will select this point and I will select this point and I will make it horizontal. Now you can see it is a fully defined sketch. So let's select offset tool and select this arc, select reverse, and I will change it to 40 millimeters, or maybe you can change it to 50. Okay. Still it is not a closed body, so I will close this body using two lines. Now it is a closed body. I will close this sketch. I will go to here sheet metal. If you don't find this command sheet metal, just right click, go to here tabs and select this one sheet metal. It is already selected. I will choose this one base flange or tab. I will select this sketch. And here you can see the parameters, and sheet metal thickness is 2 mm and I think it's okay. Now I will go to this command edge flange and I will select this edge and I will drag it up to here. And let's say this dimension is 100 millimeters. I will change its default radius. Usually in our manufacturing company, we use bending radius 1.5 times thickness. So its thickness is 2 and I will multiply it by 1.5 factor. So this bending radius should be 3 mm. So I will change it to 3 mm. It is not hard and fast rule, but we practice this standard. You can see this is the bending radius, and you can change its flange degree, but I will keep it 90 degree and I will select OK. So we have modeled our part. Now let's flatten this, and this is the develop shape or flatten shape, and now I can export this shape into AutoCAD. Just go to here save as, and I will choose file type as DXF. I will select save. I will select this one sheet metal, add bend lines. This will help the manufacturer, especially the die maker. And you can include this one as well, bounding box, and select OK. It will give you a preview. This is the preview of your part. Select save, and your part is saved in DXF. So you can simply go to AutoCAD and you can send this file to the machine manufacturer. You can manufacture this part using the most common way, using the laser cutting. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial.